Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by collecting essentials, a working email and a strong password, then open GitHub's sign-up page and enter a unique username. Once done, pick the free plan to start because you can upgrade later. Make sure to install Git on your machine too. It lets you push repositories. After submitting, check your email and confirm the verification message. This enables account features. Next, set a recognizable display name and a short bio so people know who you are. Now configure security and developer settings so your account is useful and safe. First, enable two-factor authentication. Use an authenticator app for stronger protection and save recovery codes in a secure place. Next, generate an SSH key pair on your computer and paste the public key into your GitHub SSH key settings so pushes authenticate seamlessly. Then, set your primary email and visibility preferences because commit attribution depends on that address. Finally, adjust notifications. Finish by creating your first repository and testing a full workflow. Create a repo with a clear name, add a README, and git ignore as needed, then clone it locally. Make a small change, commit with a descriptive message, and push to confirm authentication works. If the push fails, check whether you used SSH versus HTTPS, confirm your SSH agent is running, or reconfigure your Git user, email, and user name. Once the push succeeds, explore GitHub features like branches, releases, and pull requests.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.